You just made smooth £1,000 spend transfers abroad. Seems pretty easy, right? But then you start wondering, is that legal? Do I have to pay tax on that? Will HMRC come knocking? Let's clear this up. Today we're breaking down the real tax rules around sending money abroad from the UK in 2025. From gifts and crypto to business transfers, what's legal, what's not, and how to avoid red flags. Hey, I'm Daria. If you're an immigrant, freelancer, crypto user, or small business owner, this video is for you. There's lots of confusion around money transfers, crypto, and the tax rules. Some say, if I send over £1,000, I'll be taxed. Others, it's just a gift, no need to report. But many don't realize when they're crossing legal lines without meaning to. Let's clear this up so you can move your money calmly and legally. Let's start with the biggest myth I hear. If I send more than £1,000 abroad, I'll be taxed. That's not necessarily true. Sending money abroad is not automatically taxable. But here's the catch. What the money is for matters. Key rule, you're not taxed on the transfers. You're taxed on the reason behind this transfer. So let's say you're sending money to support your parents. Usually no tax. You're gifting money to a friend abroad. Also likely no tax. But if you send in crypto profits or business income, now it gets more complex. Let's break it down further. Here's what HMRC really cares about when you transfer money abroad. The source of funds. Where did this money come from? Was it salary, business income, crypto gains, inheritance? Each of these has different tax treatment. The second one. The purpose of the transfer. Are you gifting money, paying someone, sending business profits abroad, repatriating funds from crypto or offshore? The next one, residency and tax status. If you're the UK tax resident, HMRC wants to know about your global income, any foreign assets, any income brought into the UK remittance basis. So again, the transfer itself isn't taxed, but if it reveals undeclared income or taxable gains, that's where the trouble starts. Let's also clear up a critical distinction. Tax avoidance, legal. If you're using tax-efficient tools within the law. Tax evasion, illegal. Hiding money, falsifying source of funds, or not reporting income. What does HMRC consider evasion? Moving undeclared crypto profits to offshore wallets, receiving payments abroad and never reporting them, using personal accounts for business income and not declaring it. You can send money abroad, but if you're using transfers to hide taxable income, that's where HMRC gets involved. Let me give you some examples of what's okay versus what's risky. Example first, personal gift. You send £2,000 to your mother in Poland. You're not expecting anything back. No tax, just keep the record. Example number 2. Business transfer via personal account. You receive crypto from a client, convert it to fiat and send it to your developer abroad. That's risky. You may owe income tax on that what is not declared. Example number 3. Transferring £50,000 abroad from the UK savings. If the savings came from declared income, probably fine. But if HMRC suspects undeclared income or crypto, they may investigate. Example number 4, sending crypto profits from the UK wallet to an offshore one. Okay if you already reported the gains in the UK. Not okay if you did not. Here's how you can protect yourself. The first one, know your source of funds. Document where it came from. Second one, don't mix personal and business accounts, especially with crypto. Third one, report income and capital gains properly. Last one, just make sure to use platforms that help you stay transparent. And please don't just trust Reddit or Telegram advice. Talk to someone who actually knows how to tax and compliance works. This is exactly where platforms like Xpaid come in. Not just assistance with sending money, but do it safely, legally, and with less headache. They offer compliant crypto fiat OTC services, work with clients across the UK, Poland, Spain, and Eastern Europe. They have good understanding of banking, AML, KYC, and help avoid unnecessary blocks. Personalized approach, so it's not just some faceless app. Whether you're an immigrant, supporting family, or a crypto user moving profits, or maybe even B2B founder, Xpaid can help you do it right. So, can you send money abroad without paying a tax? Yes, but only if you're doing it in the right way. HMRC cares about what you send in and why. Don't get caught off the guard. Subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a comment if you're ever wondered about taxes and transfers, and if you want to support, just make sure to book a call with Xpaid and avoid the stress, because your money should move as freely as you do. See you in the next one.